Alrighty, now that we've got our marinara sauce and our spaghetti into our greased 13 by 9, I'm just coming in here with some diced purple onions. Beautiful. Might as well put the whole thing in. This is just about 1/4 of a cup. Some minced garlic. And I'm just gonna go ahead. You can do this to taste, but I really like garlic. Perfect. I'm just putting about 2 tablespoons. We've got some freeze-dried basil, but you can also use fresh if you prefer. Sometimes I like to get those little tubs in the refrigerated section at the grocery store. Now I've got some extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna go ahead and give a good amount of this. It's gonna really help that pasta cook, all our ingredients to combine. A little bit of salt for flavoring. Some freshly ground pepper. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This looks so good. And some crushed red pepper, just because I want it to be a little bit spicy. Now we are gonna come in with 2 cups of water because we're gonna need something to cook our pasta. Perfect, that looks good. I'm just gonna give this a slight stir to kind of make sure those flavors are nicely dispersed. But this is looking really, really yummy and delicious. Such an easy way to make an Italian dinner. Now I've got my mild Italian ground sausage. You can use hot if you prefer. Just gonna get all that paper off. And I'm gonna start pinching these off. We're gonna be making our own little meatballs for this. Now you can use ground beef if you want, or a combination of sausage and ground beef, but I thought the sausage would be really tasty. It's already flavored Italian, and you can just add anything to it that you like or leave it off. Like I said, if you want to, add some ground beef, if you make some more ground beef, like you'll have a little bit higher protein. But I like a little fat. I find it helps me stay fuller longer. And I'm gonna put this whole pound of sausage right in here, just forming it into my balls. Perfect. All right, I'm just gonna put a little bit of Italian seasoning right on top, all over my balls and everything else I've got going on in here. Now I am gonna cover this with foil, but I'm gonna pop it in my oven at 350 for 40 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. We just cooked this in our oven at 350 for about 40 minutes. Oh my, look at this pasta. Cooked perfectly. Doesn't that look so good? Oh my gosh, I almost forgot one thing. All right. Perfection. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be so yummy. What an easy 1-pan dinner. I love it. Alrighty. Got my sketty, my meatballs. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This looks so good. My dogs are running in here right now because they can smell it and they think it smells amazing. I can tell. Oh my goodness, y'all. I am so excited. Oh my goodness. Meatballs are perfect. Y'all, you gotta try it.